Hello everyone, I'm Saloni Gupta and in this video we are going to learn about the coordinate geometry. So let us learn the coordinate geometry. Okay, so now here you can see, suppose there is one point and I want to tell you that what is the position of this in the plane. So is there any way so that I can tell you that what is the position of this point? Okay, so suppose I said that it is somewhat upper side, okay, from the bottom, and it is somewhat in the right side of the left, right? So is it a clear position? Can I find this point? Okay, so we require some exact, okay, we require some information that can give us the exact locations of this point. So what is the way? Okay, so then we invented one system and that is called the Cartesian system in this coordinate geometry. So let us learn what is this Cartesian system. Right. So this Cartesian system, you will see it is made up of two number line. Okay, you all have seen what is the number line? Yes. Okay, so in the number line we see, okay, we have learned this earlier. What is the number line? Okay, on the number line in the center we show 0 and in the right hand side of it we show the positive number. Okay, like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, and suppose in the left hand side I'm showing the negative numbers. So this is -1, -2, okay, -3, -4, -5, right, -6, -7, right, then -8 and -9. Okay, so this is my number line. So now in the Cartesian system we use the two number lines, okay, and we just put them perpendicularly. Okay, so let us see how it will look like. Okay, so this is how the Cartesian system work. So this is called the origin. Okay, where the coordinates will be 0, right? And when you will go from the 0 in the right hand side, okay, this will be called as the x-axis dash, or we say this is the x-axis, and the line that is vertically, okay, this is called the vertical line is our y-axis. Okay, so in this OX, we will show the positive number. So this is 1, then 2, then 3, okay, then 4, then 5, and this is 6. And here I'm showing in the OX dash negative numbers. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, right, -6, then -7. Okay, and in the OY, I will show the again positive number. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, then 5, and then 6. Okay, and in the OY dash, we will show the negative numbers. So this will be -1, -2, -3, -4, and then -5. Okay, so this is how the Cartesian system look. So now this each division that it has made. Okay, so these 4 divisions you can see, they are called the quadrant. So this is called the quadrant 1. This is called the quadrant 2nd. Okay, this is our quadrant 3rd. And this is our quadrant 4. Okay, so these 4 quadrant you can see. Now what will be the sign? Okay, so this you can see, this shows the positive sign. Okay, both you can see the x coordinate and the y coordinate will be positive. And here this y coordinate you can see, this will be positive and the x coordinate will be negative. And this x coordinate will be positive and y coordinate will be negative. Right, then here you can see in this our x coordinate again it is positive. Right, sorry, this is negative. Okay, both will be negative. And here x coordinate will be positive, right, and y coordinate will be negative. Okay, so this is how the Cartesian system work. Now what is this x coordinate and y coordinate I am saying? The x coordinate is the perpendicular distance from the y-axis and the y coordinate is the perpendicular distance from the x-axis. Okay, so suppose I want to show the point. Okay, suppose the point is here. Right, suppose it is here. So now Can I tell the exact position of this? Okay, so first what we do, okay, there is a convention that we have to follow, that first we will write the x coordinate and then we will write the y coordinate. Okay, and this x coordinate, there is a specific name for it, and that is called the abscissa. And for the y coordinate, we say ordinate. Okay, so abscissa and ordinate. So this we can see how I will represent this point. Okay, so on the x-axis, we can see it is 2, and on the y-axis, it is 3. So I will represent it as 3, 2. Okay, so this is how we will locate our point on this Cartesian system. So I hope this is clear what is Cartesian system in this coordinate geometry. Okay, so let us do some questions based on it. Okay, so this you can see, what is the name of the horizontal and vertical line drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? Okay, so here you can see the horizontal line that I told you. Okay, this was the, this was the x-axis. And this vertical line we say, okay, so this was y-axis. Okay, so this we can see. Then in the second, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? Okay, so this we also did. Okay, so this I told you that it is the quadrant. Okay, each part will be called as quadrant. Then write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Okay, so this we tell you. Okay, so here you can see. Okay, so this point that I told you, this is the origin, and what will be the coordinate of this? Okay, so this will be called as 0, 0. Okay, so this is called the origin. And if someone asks you what are the coordinates of this origin, so you will write 0, 0. So I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, then here you can see in the question number second. Okay, one figure is given to us. Okay, so let us solve this figure, and we have to find first the coordinates of B. So let us see the figure. Okay, so this is the figure you can see, and we have to tell the coordinates of B. So coordinate of B, first we will see what is the position of this B from x-axis. Sorry, on x-axis. So here we can see this is our x-axis. So on the x-axis, it is, okay, it is how much? -5. And on the y-axis, it is 2. So I can write, okay, so this was the second question. So the position of B is -5, 2. Okay, again, I told you it is the convention that we will first write the x coordinate and then we will write the y coordinate. Okay, then you can see what is the second question. The abscissa of the point D. Okay, so we have to write abscissa. I told you that, okay, it is the value of the x coordinate. So we have to find out the point D. Okay, so point D, we can find it out. So here, so the value of this point D will be 6. Okay, the abscissa will be 6. So this we can see, it is 6. Then in the third, okay, so in the third you can see what is the third part. So in the third part, they're asking the point identify the by the coordinates -3, -5. So -3, -5, you can see the, okay, so first we will go on the x-axis, OX dash we will find out. So here you can see -3 and -5. So this is the point E. Okay, so we can see this is the point E, which is showing -3, -5. Right. The next question, the fourth part, you can see the point identify by the coordinate 2, -4. Okay, so we have to find the point that is identified by the coordinate 2, -4. Okay, so this we can see 2 we will go in the x-axis here and -4. So this is G. So we can see the point G. So our answer will be G. Okay, so this is showing 2, -4. The next question. Okay, so now we have to tell the abscissa of point D. We cover this. Okay, then coordinate of C. Okay, so sorry, this we just first did the B. Okay, this fifth part. So the what was the second part? It was the coordinate of C. Okay, so we did the coordinate of C? No. Okay, so the coordinate of C you can see. Okay, so we will first find out the C. Okay, so C is here. So first we will write the uh, x coordinate. So it is 5, and on the y it is -5. Okay, so the coordinate of C is 5, comma -5. Okay, so this we did. Then let us see the next. Okay, so the coordinate of the point H. That means they are asking the y coordinate of this point H. So point H is here, and the y is, okay, the y coordinate is -3. So we will write it as -3. Okay, so -3 is the ordinate. And then after that, you can see the coordinate of the point L. So the coordinate of the point L you can see. Okay, so this is on the y-axis only. So the x coordinate will become 0. Okay, so 0, comma 5. Okay, so this will be 0, comma 5. Right, and we always write our coordinates in the bracket. Right, then you can see this we have done. Then the coordinates of the point M. So the coordinate of the point M is, okay, so now you can see this is lying on the x-axis. So that means the value, the y coordinate will become 0. Okay, so this will become -3, comma 0. Clear everyone? So this will become -3, comma 0. Okay, so I hope you all have understood how to do the questions that are related to Cartesian system and how to identify the position of, or we can say how to locate the points in a Cartesian system. Okay, so I hope this is clear to everyone. So this is the end of this video. So bye everyone, and thanks for watching. Have a great day all of you.